Hey guys, happy early Sunday morning. Today is March the 3rd, which means that tomorrow I am flying to Mexico for VSG surgery. So welcome to my ultimate what to pack for weight loss surgery in Mexico video. Guys, before I start actually packing everything, I just want to show you my Mexico packing list. And what I did was I just separated everything into category: clothes, medical supplies, food supplies, toiletry, electronics, and then paperwork and money I would need. And what I also did was up here, I made two different highlighters. One is, it says liquids, and one it says carry-on. So I highlighted everything that is a liquid just as a note to myself, because everything that's a liquid has to go into a quart size sealable clear baggie. And then also the things I'm going to want as carry-ons, I went ahead and highlighted in pink so that I would not, when I was packing things, I would know to put those things together so I wouldn't pack them and have to refine them, just to make things a lot less hassle and just to make things a little more smoothly. So the number of days you're going to be in Mexico varies. Some people stay longer for R&Y, some people go a day early, just because that's what the flight. Some people stay longer because they want a vacation. Me, I am going a day early. The reason I decided to go a day early was twofold. One, it was hard to find a ticket where I would arrive before noon on the day of my surgery. And also, I remember specifically watching another person's YouTube video. Her name is Sierra, and she is has a channel called Chic and Savvy Belle, and I specifically remember she went to Pompeii, where I'm going, and she arrived, she traveled all day, she drove all the way from like Louisiana to Houston, Texas, and then she took a flight, flew all day, and then when she arrived, she was literally driven and then literally like taken to surgery immediately. And I was like, oh no, like I don't want to do that. Like she seemed even shocked herself, like she wanted to like freshen up and she didn't get to. So I personally want to freshen up, so I'm getting there the day before surgery. We are staying at the Holiday Inn that is through Pompeii Surgical, and it's $75 I believe for the night we're staying, and then the next morning we'll be picked up and transported to the actual hospital. So I'm gonna need outfit for the flight there. I said a comfy outfit to wear from the hotel to the hospital, 2 pairs of pajamas. Now a lot of people don't bring pajamas because they're fine with a hospital gown. I'm bringing a couple of sets, maybe more, because I'm gonna need a pair for the beach house after. But a lot of my comfy clothes are kind of junky, like no joke. But I just said whatever, I don't care. Like I'm still bringing my most comfy, baggiest. Even if they have a bleach stain, I'm just wearing what is going to be most comfortable for me. PJs for the hotel, shower flip-flops for taking a shower in the hospital and at the beach house. Also a pair for hubby, PJs for hubby, extra t-shirt, shorts for hubby, his underwear and socks, 5 pairs of granny panties. I actually bought extra big underwear, like 2 sizes my norm, just for this. A couple of sports bras and a bralettes, socks. One thing people always brought, and I just wrote it, fuzzy socks. I don't really do fuzzy socks. I am gonna bring a couple pair. I'm not a sock person. Non-slip slippers, maybe a loose dress or a t-shirt just in case. I'm gonna bring something like that. It's not the greatest, but whatever. Medical supplies, dry mouth spray. A lot of people bring it. I am actually gonna also like let you guys know while I'm there after surgery, like while I'm at the beach house, probably film really quickly what I used and what I did not. I'm bringing the dry mouth spray. I've already tried it. I like it personally, so I'm bringing it. Earplugs, eye mask. You can see I kind of added stuff as I went and just kind of like added stuff in because I just did more research and found stuff. I am bringing gum, a heating pad, a stomach pillow. The heating pad is also optional. I did hear they have them there. I just want my own. The stomach pillow, they say, is to hold against your stomach in case you cough or on the flight. Aspirator, I think it's called aspirator. It might be an aspirator, I'm not sure. I just wrote aspirator. I will look, I'll show you when I'm packing it. It's one of those things that you use to breathe into to help your lungs when you get out of surgery. I'm gonna bring band-aids, the sensitive ones, Imodium. They say bring Imodium. My surgeon says bring Imodium because sometimes after the barium swallow you have diarrhea for the day and you will probably be on your flight. so you don't want that. I'm gonna bring a pill crusher and a pill cutter and a pair of compression socks. I'm bringing a water enhancers like Crystal Light. I'm gonna bring my own herbal tea. I'm gonna bring a shaker bottle, some protein. I don't have any packets, so I'm gonna figure that out. I'm gonna bring broth bouillon, so I don't know if I'm gonna bring a cube or what I'm gonna bring, but I'm gonna figure that out. That's why there's this here. It might be a gel, I'm not sure. I might bring some 2-ounce cups, a mug with a lid, a tea strainer, a baby spoon, and a sippy cup. The tea strainer is just so if I'm in the airport on the way home and I want a clear broth soup, anything I can strain. So that's why I'm bringing that, just in case. And also, if I make my own, I just want to take all of the like herbs and stuff out of it, just in case it has that. Like, I don't need that in my stomach when I first get surgery. It needs to be clear liquids only. Toiletries. They said that at Pompeii and maybe at the beach house, there's no washcloths. I guess most people use those scrubby puffs. My husband does. I don't. I'm bringing 3 washcloths. My own shampoo and conditioner. I heard they have that at Pompeii. I'm just going to go ahead and bring my own deodorant, lotion, face wash, hairbrush, body wash, my husband's body wash, disinfectant soap. I'm bringing disinfectant soap. I do have HIPAA, but I don't find it very good. It doesn't really lather. Like, you can use a whole bottle on like one shower. So I'm going to bring some Dial antibacterial, and I'm going to wash myself 3 times with it. Probably tonight before I go to bed, tomorrow morning before I leave, and then the next day at the hotel, just to get any bacteria off my body. Face lotion, makeup wipes, baby wipes, chapstick, mirror, hand sanitizer, blah blah blah, hair ties, Q-tips, powder. You can read that. It's basic stuff. I'm also going to bring a small makeup bag with me, which is not on here, but it's a given for me. Okay, electronics, iPad, book is not an electronic, but it's still entertainment. 2 extension cords, one for me, one for hubby, my phone charger. Hubby's bringing the Fire Stick and the remote. I'm going to bring a notebook and a pen. I'm going to bring all of our filming equipment, 8 gig flash drive, that's so they can film my surgery, my AirPods, and then also paperwork. We did not get a passport, and honestly, when it came right down, I had like 2 different surgeons I wanted. One was Bariatric Pal Mexico, and one was Pompeii Surgical. Pompeii does not require you to have a passport. You can just get across the border on your birth certificate and your ID. So that's what we're bringing, and we're bringing money for we're actually doing cash. We have to have money for the Holiday Inn, 80 for the beach house. We got stuck with the twin bedroom at the beach house because we didn't schedule it soon enough. If you want it, figure out if you want it or not when you book your surgery. Get the room then, don't wait, because it books quickly. We need some small bills. I want to have extra cash for pharmacy trip. One of my things, guys, I want to go to Walmart in Mexico and see everything in Mexican or Spanish, in Spanish on the labels. Like, I just really want to go to Mexico Walmart. And then I need to get cash for my pet sitter. I put all of our documentation in this envelope, and I also brought a marriage license just in case, because my last name is different, and I also brought social security cards. And one more thing, and this is kind of important, I was told, take photographs of all of your documents, your birth certificates, your marriage license, your social security cards, your everything. Have those pictures on your phone, but also email them to yourself. In the worst case scenario, anything happens, if you have access to an email, you can pull up your identity, your ID. Take a picture of your ID. Always have that, especially flying, and have it on your phone. But also, just in case you also lose your phone with your purse or with your wallet, email these pictures to yourself as just a backup. Okay, guys, that's the list, so let's get packing. Okay guys, so we're going to get started, and I'm going to start with the boring stuff first, the clothes, and then after that we're kind of going to do a haul, because I have been shopping for like 2 months on different items that I found I would need, and I haven't even looked at them in like 2 months. It's going to be like Christmas. So let's start with clothes. All of the clothes I'm going to try to pack in my husband's small duffel that will be his carry-on. So let me grab that really quick. Okay, so this is the duffel. It's just an Adidas gym bag, and I think this will be small enough for him to like comfortably carry through airports, and I think I can fit the clothes in it. So let me just show you what I'm taking. So bralette, I'm just going to put these here, and then I'm going to pack them. These are some really comfy, stretchy. I'm actually wearing a pair of these too, and I'm going to be wearing a pair home, and then whenever I need them, they're there. I'm bringing an extra t-shirt that I can wear with those pants, just a black tee. Now I have these super loose, comfy shorts. I'm bringing 2 pair of these. I'm bringing t-shirt and shorts. And then I have this really long Champion t-shirt. It's like a nightie, and shorts. Same as those, but black. Really comfy. And then I'm bringing this pajama set. And like I said, I'm just bringing like junky, comfy around the house stuff. Nothing fancy. And then this set is just because I might need warm pants. I'm not sure, because it's going to be 60s, low 70s. So, and guys, that's all I'm bringing for me. So let's pack it. So I decided to bring an extra bralette, so I'm going to be bringing 2 bralettes, a sports bra, and I'm going to be wearing a regular bra there, so I'll have a regular bra. So now to my husband's clothes. So for hubby, I'm just bringing a pajama set, t-shirt, and comfy, a halfway decent, not t-shirt shirt that's kind of like a warmish, middle of the road kind of warmth shorts, an extra t-shirt, bag is packed. The only thing not in this is, like I said, my sports bra and then my panties, and that's because I haven't opened them yet. They're in my box of stuff. So this is the duffel bag that we're taking. Like I said, this is the ultimate, so I didn't bring a ton of clothes, but it's a fair amount, right? Wouldn't you say? So clothes are done. Okay guys, so now for the fun stuff. I started purchasing things for surgery a while ago, so I don't even remember half this stuff or haven't seen it in like a month. So let's go through it. It's gonna kind of be like a haul. It'll be fun, I promise. So these are basically, I've just been taking everything I buy and storing it in these bins, and this is just a box something came in. I need to really go through this and decide what exactly I'm going to take, if there's anything that can't fit or I'm not going to take. So this is my carry-on, guys. It's small. The reason I opted for a smaller carry-on is because I've gone on a lot of flights where they try to get you to check your carry-on, and I don't want to lose it. So this one I know I can fit under a seat if I have to, so there's no chance of having to be forced to check my bag. Since my clothes are in the duffel, this is where I'm going to put all of this stuff. So I have to make that fit in here. And yeah, let's see what's in the bins. Okay guys, the first item is compression socks. I did a lot of research about blood clots. Blood clots are the #1 enemy when getting weight loss surgery, so I was not joking about getting these. I went to Walmart, they had some, but they only had to like a size extra large. They look kind of thin. I watched Pompey's videos. They look kind of like a nylon type compression socks. I saw people go right through them. So I went ahead and got these. I got these on Amazon. The sizing was a little weird because my calf and ankle were 2 different sizes. So I was like, should I get this size or this size? But I ended up getting, I think I got a 4X for myself because I have like a 20-inch calf and like an 11-inch ankle. So I'll try these on before I go and let you know if these don't work. I'm going to Walmart and maybe doubling up. So compression socks, these are going in my carry-on because I'm going to need to put them on before the flight. Wear them to Pompeii and home from Pompeii. That's what the doctor said. Wear them on your flights, not just after, before, so you can prevent blood clots. Carry-on pile. Blender bottle, I already have 100 of these, but I thought this one was really cute. It says Rise and Grind and it's white, and I just wanted it because it's smaller. I do have one other small one, but it's not as cute as this. This is going in my carry-on because I'm gonna pack it with some things inside of it to conserve space for drinks. I know I'm probably not going to be up to protein, but I can put flavored water in here. Hair ties. That's a... Okay, hair scrunchies. This is just going in the toiletry stuff. I got baby spoons. I'm going to need these anyways for after, for post-op. I'm going to take one of these in my blender bottle in case I want to eat broth, to eat it slowly. I might not need these, but just in case, I'm bringing one. And also, I don't want to use like other people's silverware. Gum. This is going to go in carry-on. I got a Lysol disinfecting spray, so this is going to go in toiletries. Do you think we need this? Well, it has to go in carry-on. It's a liquid. What am I thinking? This is a liquid. I'm gonna make a liquid pile. Okay, I'm gonna leave it last. Here's my book, Carry On. Haven't even read that one yet. Slippers with slip-proof bottom. I got these on Amazon. I will link all the stuff in the bottom, guys, if you need any of these things. I think I got the baby spoons on Amazon too, so I'll be linking a lot of stuff. Now, these are basically quart size, TSA approved, sealable, clear bags. I usually always check a bag. I never have to bring my own toiletries and something this tiny, but I got one for me, one for him, so we can take double the liquids if needed. Earplugs. I got these because hospitals are loud. A lot of doors shutting and stuff, so I got these in case I wanted a really good sleep. So these are going to get packed in my medical stuff. Biotine, already tried it, like it. I gotta unbox all this stuff too. Makeup wipes. I got you a scrubby puff, babe, and I got me one too. So toiletries, mouthwash, toiletries, toothpaste, toiletries. I need to unbox all this stuff. Band-aids. I guess these aren't sensitive skin, but they are flexible fabric, antibacterial, so that'll work. That'll go like in the medical stuff. I got 2 of them. I'm not gonna need 2, right? I'll leave one here. One is gonna stay. Here's my old blender bottle, but I got a new one, so I don't need that. I bought this for in broths warm, so you don't. I got so this came in like a teapot from FabFitFun, and I just found it. I was gonna get a tea strainer, but I saw it and I was like, I'm gonna use it instead of buying one. It's really cute. If I want to make broth and it has herbs and stuff in it, I don't want to eat anything, not even a speck, just clear liquid. So I'm gonna take this. If I want to drink a broth, I can drink it out of here. I got a bag of several different teas. I just already had a ton of tea, so I'll just tell you what I got in here. I got a couple spearmints. I got a couple caramel apple spice Slim Life. I got some ginger aid in case I have nausea. I got some honey lavender stress relief. I got sweet tangerine positive energy. That better not have caffeine. It does contain caffeine. I can't have that one. And then I got some Earl Grey. So just some basic herbal teas. So that will go in. I'm going to put it in my personal carry-on. So with the food stuff, in case I want some, I can get hot water. I can mix tea with it. I highly doubt I'll even want to eat hand sanitizer to have with us at the hospital. I'm going to put this with the medical stuff. Here's another clear bag in case I need it. Here's a soap holder, which I'm going to need. Lip chap. Baby wipes, the kind for your butt, to wipe your butt with. Toiletries. This is my go-to favorite stupid little mirror I take on every single trip because I use it for just seeing my face. I have dry shampoo, it's Orbe. I have this little tiny Olay Complete, and it's a face moisturizer. I had this little sample, so I was like, that will be perfect. Even though I mostly use argan oil, my sleep mask I use all the time, it has makeup on it. Should have washed it, but it's fine. So then hairbrush, a little shampoo and conditioner for Orbe. I may or may not use this. I also have a shampoo and conditioner of my normal shampoo and stuff because I like it. Face wash, I have in this little container. I just squirted some out of my big one. I didn't want to buy a small one. They don't have the brands I like. Toothbrushes for me and hubby. Here's the soap. I will put that in the soap dish. Why is that gross and melty? Okay, body powder. I had to just wash these off because we had a spill and I still don't know exactly what spilled. What is this? Lotion. Lotion, baby lotion.
Powder? Baby powder.
Homing pigeon powers activate!
And had an extra little conditioner, a shaver, and then I brought these, but I don't know if I want to. Under eye gels, a lip collagen infused thing, and a face mask. When I was packing, I thought I might need those, but now I'm like, eh. And babes, body wash. I don't know what in the heck could have got on that. So I may or may not bring those. So guys, this is the heating pad I got on Amazon. It's an extra large. I already have one, but mine is kind of like gross. The cat laid on it, so I got this one. So I'm bringing. I got panties 2 sizes too big because I don't know if I'll have any kind of scar or, you know, like a suture or like some kind of incision. So I got 5-pack. This is the, babe, is this called an aspirator or a spirator? I'm gonna find out. I know it's something like that. So I've only seen one of these one time and I saved it. I had surgery for fertility purposes, which I can do in another video, but I actually, okay, it's a spirometer. Incentive spirometer. So basically I did a lot of research, like I said, about when they gave me this, they told me it was 4, but it really wasn't enough, so I came home and researched it. Basically, when you get surgery, the way you're laying, the tube in your throat, the mask, several other things they do, sometimes there's like a liquid in the bottom of your lungs. So basically what you have to do is like every hour just kind of suck on this. I know it's weird, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Nobody's used this but me, so we should be good. But you just suck. And you try to get to 2,500. So 2,500 is at the very top right here. So if you don't have one of these, you may or may not want to get one of these. I'm bringing my own. Like I said, I don't think they have them at Pompeii. But they are recommended. And at American hospitals, they make you do this because you can come down with pneumonia and other illnesses because you don't get it. And if you do this after surgery, you just should work up to 2,500. You probably won't be able to do it right away, and you just kind of work towards it and move your bar up. And usually when you do this, when you have surgery, you start coughing, and that's a good sign. You should start coughing. That's the liquids moving out. So I am doing this. And I'm bringing the paperwork just in case anybody there is like, oh, what does that do? I don't have to tell them. I can tell them, but I have, you know, I can show them. Another pack of gum, some wet ones, and some Clorox wipes. I will probably keep these in my personal items so I can wipe down toilet seats and stuff like that I have to share. Imodium. The doctor told me to bring Imodium because after the what is that called? The barium swallow, you usually get diarrhea really bad for a day. So, and that's why I brought the pill cutter and stuff. So if I need to take these when I'm in the airport, I can just cut the pill, crush it, mix it with some water, try to drink it down like a shot or something. So I already had Gas X strip. Well, these aren't Gas X strips. This is just the Gas X chewables because they basically did away with the strips. I don't know why. I don't know if there was something wrong with them. If there's a lawsuit, if somebody got hurt by them. I don't know if they just were ineffective. I don't know. But they are recommended to get Gas X strips, but they no longer have them. So I got the chewables. And I don't know why I got these huge packs, but hopefully I can share them. So then somebody said, you hear conflicting things. So one person said, Gas X is not going to help you. your gas is internally inside of your abdomen, and that's not going to help you. Somebody else said that it definitely does help, so I'm just going to bring it just in case. I think it just depends. Maybe it's like a placebo thing. Maybe it's actually just you walking that helps. Maybe not, but they recommended getting the gas relief drops, and I guess the main ingredient is the simethicone, I guess. So even if it's the generic brand, I guess the main ingredient is called simethicone anti-gas drops. They're for infants. So I sent hubby to get these, and he came back with these, which is a Phazyme 250 milligram anti-gas, relieves gas fast, bloating, pressure, discomfort. I don't even know what this is. This better not be a diuretic. I don't know. Oh, look. Simethicone is the highest one, but this is also a gel, so you have to swallow it. So I don't even know if I'll be able to take that. And then he also got me a gas relief simethicone, actual size, very tiny, and it looks like it's a easy swallow soft gel. So I got everything and then some. Almost done. I got a small travel pillow, which I guess kind of clips. What are these clips called, babe? Those little not lanyard clip, but those clips. You can clip it to like the side of your bag or something, so it's not actually going to take up space. It kind of dangles. So we're going to take this. I guess you have to hold it against your stomach for when you cough after surgery, and just for comfort, I guess. So I got that on Amazon. I will link it. And then also the last thing I got, kind of unnecessary, I know, but Camelback bottles, you can kind of suck them like a sippy cup while you're laying down. You don't have to lay up every few seconds. So I'm bringing this. I might not need this at all, but when I'm trying to drink water, when they finally give me water, and if I'm laid down because I don't feel good because gas pain, then, and I know you shouldn't do straws, but I don't know if this actually constitutes a straw because it's a sippy cup. I don't know. I'm bringing this. Okay, guys. So I think that is everything as far as the haul goes. So I'm just going to kind of consolidate this and like pack it on up and get it packed right now. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is it. This is everything we're taking. Hubby's carry-on, he can carry. This is my carry-on. It's a smaller carry-on, and it does have the handle and it has wheels. And then this is my personal item. I'm actually going to put a small Michael Kors bag in here. You can see it's really still has a ton of room. I did put some protein powder in the scoop in a baggie to put in here. And I could, like I said, just stuff in here that I could possibly, oh, I added this too. This is the beef bouillon, I put some more tea and some water flavoring. I do have a couple of broths that are kind of like, I don't think they're liquid. I don't know. We're going to see how that goes with the TSA. And put the iPad in there. The only thing I need to put in here are my AirPods, my phone charger. I went over the list. Everything looks good. I need to stop at the bank. Hubby is also taking a small backpack with his laptop and work stuff. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Wish me luck. Tomorrow's my big day. Bye.